In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gohighlevel with make.com in 26, step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Since this connection is managed inside Gohighlevel, that's where the setup begins. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu and the tools you need for integrations and app connections. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you browse and install apps that can extend the platform's functionality. If you haven't used it before, think of it as the place where you connect third-party services, including automation tools like make.com. After the App Marketplace opens, go to the search bar. This will help you find the app much faster, especially if your marketplace shows a lot of available integrations. In the search field, look for Make, and once it appears in the results, click on it to open the app's installation page. On the Make app page, click Install. This starts the connection process and tells Gohighlevel that you want to add this integration to your account. At this stage, you may be asked where you want the app to be installed, which is important if you manage multiple accounts inside Gohighlevel. Next, select the sub-account where you want to connect Make. Be careful here and choose the correct one, because this determines which specific business account or workspace the integration will apply to. If you're handling several client accounts, it's worth taking an extra second to confirm you're selecting the right sub-account before moving on. Once the correct sub-account is selected, click Continue. This takes you to the next part of the setup, where Gohighlevel prepares the permissions required for the connection. In most cases, this is just a quick review step before the integration is finalized. Finally, click Allow and Install. This gives the app permission to connect with the selected Gohighlevel sub-account and completes the installation process. After this, the integration should be active and ready for you to use with your automation workflows inside make.com. That's it. You've now connected Gohighlevel with make.com. If you're setting up automations afterward, it's always a good idea to double check that the integration was installed in the correct sub-account, so your scenarios run exactly where you expect them to.